Put 100 grams of diced ham in a bowl. Add 100 grams of Gouda and 100 grams of cream cheese. Mix the whole thing well. Pour the mixture onto a roll of puff pastry. Leaving about half an inch of space around the edge. Roll up the puff pastry evenly. Press the edge with a fork. Cut the roll of puff pastry into equal pieces. Break an egg with a little milk and spread it on the ham and cheese rolls. Bake the ham cheese rolls in a preheated oven at 360 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. We cut out 4.4-inch circles from a roll of puff pastry using a ring. We save the remaining puff pastry for later. For the sauce, we need 180 grams of pureed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Mix everything well. Apply some of the sauce to one side. Then add some cooked ham and sprinkle with Gouda. Fold over the other half of the puff pastry and press it firmly. Beat an egg with a little milk and brush the calzone with it. Bake the We make small pizzas from the remaining puff pastry. Roll out the dough and cut out small pizzas with a 2.3-inch ring. Brush these with the tomato sauce and sprinkle them with Gouda. Bake the pizza in a preheated oven at 356 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes.